Catamon's coming back at you with a new restore video. Got some fire red 3s here. Gonna do a full restore on them. Deep cleaning, unyellowing, repaint on the midsole and the upper. Heel tabs as well. Pretty dirty, but ain't nothing I can't fix. See, chipping right here. I'm gonna fix all of that. Decreasing. Get that midsole repainted and unyellowed. Get it back looking right, looking new. There we go, right there. See that? Get them cleaned up first, but I'll be back with the finished product. Stay tuned. Back, finished product. Repainted the jumpmans on the heel tab and did a midsole repaint, and also unyellowed the soles on these. Pretty old pair. Came out pretty good, if I say so. Still a little yellow, but that's due to the age. But the midsole repaint came out pretty good. Again, fire red 3s, midsole repaint, unyellowing on the sole. The usual, the normal things that happen to 3s. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.